How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here with Patrick Mini, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg, Illinois. We've got another awesome video for you today because Mini just dropped the new four-door Cooper. We're super excited to have it in stock. Let's talk about it. All right, the 2025 Cooper S four-door. Now, we are super excited to have these in stock. They just arrived in this week, so we're super happy to see them. The biggest difference, of course, is going to be with the addition of the rear doors. They did lengthen the wheelbase by 6.3 inches, mostly to give a passenger footwell for the rear seat occupants, and they also raised the roof line by 1.2 inches, so you got enough headroom in the back also. I'm 6 feet tall. I can sit back there no problem, so plenty of room to fit your friends or your family members. Now, this color is called Icy Sunshine, which I absolutely love. It really pops in the sun, really does put a smile on your face, so great name. And yeah, really fantastic color, and especially with the classic style, so you get all the black accents around the car, really helps with that cool contrast. And these wheels look really good too, and they're kind of dark charcoal finish. This particular model is a Cooper S. That's all that it's available right now. They will also be coming out with a base version, just called the Standard Cooper, that's coming out a little bit later. We already have those in the two-door model, which is really cool, but those will be coming to the four-door soon. So this one, engine-wise, has a 2-liter inline-4 turbo, puts out 201 horsepower and 221 foot-pounds of torque, does 0 to 60 in about 6.5 seconds, and gets 31 mpg, so really good. And the transmission is a 7-speed DCT, so really fast shifts, really smooth, really great overall powertrain package. Let's show you inside. I want to show you some other stuff. All right, let's check out this interior here. Absolutely love the color combo on this car with this Icy Sunshine paint and then this gray-blue interior. Just looks absolutely fantastic. Always love a white interior, especially on a darker colored exterior car. The fabric on the seats actually have a little bit of a kind of red, white, and blue. I'm not sure if that's coming off on camera, but it looks fantastic. I love the star pattern seats in these new Coopers. Just looks super good. And the blue on the Mini logo, which is the same color for every interior, again, just matches perfectly with this paint. Looks super cool. But otherwise, it's going to look pretty familiar compared to your standard two-door version. Biggest change is going to be in the back seat, so let's hop back there. And as you can see, plenty of leg room back here. I've got all the room in the world. I've got my driver's seat pushed back a little bit so I could do some more filming. So if it matched the passenger seat, it would have plenty of room back there for your feet. You've also got all the amenities you need back here. You got a cup holder, you got a charger back here also. And then you also even get dual sunroofs too, which is pretty cool. So it doesn't feel like you're ever going to be sitting in like a closet back here. I got plenty of room, big windows all around you, no problem. Let's go check out the trunk. I'll show you the trunk space. Wow, yeah, this color does look amazing in person and on camera. But you can see, got a good amount of room back here. I got my camera bag, I got the first aid mobility kit back there too. But plenty of room, no problem. You can remove this partial shelf, it just pops out with a couple clips, easy peasy. And of course, the rear seats fold down also, so you can fit whatever you need back there. So yeah, good amount of room and still in a pretty small package, which is really nice. But yeah, great job, Mini. They did a perfect job, and I'm sure these four doors are going to sell very well for them. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I had a great time, as always, making this video for you today. If you want to see driving impressions, make sure to click the link up here. It'll take you to our Mini Cooper two-door review. Thank you all for watching that one. That's our biggest view count on the channel so far, so we're really excited to see that. But otherwise, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to tune in for the next video. Have a great day.